So this morning I was really glad because I had a good night's sleep last night, and Ola is looking towards me, see, because we've got the next bed, and she was going, oh.
I woke up with a massive pain in my shoulders and neck from tensing my body yesterday in the Bushtucker Trial. Honestly, my body's killing me today.
So we went to the allotment. The allotment's up a tree house. There's not a lot going on there at the moment, but there are 2 chairs, and started giving her a massage, which she liked a lot. Down.
Oh, that's so tight there. There, yes. Oh, Carol, you're strong.
Now, just push those little cinders, the bread ones, right to the middle. That's it, that's it. It would let the fire go down overnight on purpose because Wayne wanted to do the fire from basics. Just get down on your knees.
Yeah.
Right, now give it a little blow. Careful.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, it's good. Oh, Carol.
So I woke up this morning and there's a few strange noises coming out of the jungle, and it's not just from the animals, to be honest with you.
Wow. Yeah, that's proper in now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it.
That's the one.
That is the one.
That's the one.
There you go, man. Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Thanks, mate.
Oh. Carol is lovely. She's got really strong hands and she's pretty good. I've enjoyed that massage this morning, very much so.
If you're the kind of person who gets pleasure out of watching celebrities being humiliated, starved and scared out their minds, we've got only one thing to say to you.
Join the club and click here to subscribe if you want to see loads more classic clips. Enjoy.